Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, gold did push down really hard, but it's starting to push back up pretty hard also. We actually still could be in a wave 3. I was thinking that this actually could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 of wave 3. So we may not even be in the big wave 4. We'll have to keep an eye on it. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, like I said, we are most likely in a wave 4, but is it the wave 4 to the whole trend, or is it the wave 4 of this trend right here? If it's the wave 4 to this trend, then it's going to be a much smaller wave 4, maybe something like that. If it's a wave 4 that matches this wave 2, then we're potentially going to be in a wave 4 for probably about 5 or 6 months. So definitely a pretty big difference. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this move down is an A. I still think the move up is a B. I still think at some point it's going to end up going down for a C, and this is all an ABC of 4 most likely. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. We definitely got a nice big impulse that moved down on the 4 hour time frame. So the wave A, or maybe wave 1, is already complete, which means that we're most likely now in a correction to this wave. So I would expect to see some sort of a 3-wave pattern to the downside, maybe go down to the 50, 61% for either a wave B or a wave 2, before we actually go back up and make a wave C or a possible wave B. I think it's more likely an ABC of wave B. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this first impulsive move down is probably just the first leg of the correction. We're probably only in the wave A of a bigger ABC correction, so it could easily continue down more. The wave A may not even be over yet. We don't really have a breaker structure yet. At some point, we'll probably make a move up to make a correction to the move down, wave B, and then I'd probably expect another pretty good push down to maybe the 60 or the 51% for a wave C. Like I was saying, most likely we're either in a wave B or wave 2. I think we're more likely in a wave B, and this is more likely a wave A, but it could possibly be a wave 1 and a wave 2. But either way, it doesn't really matter because the wave B, wave 2 is exactly the same trading strategy, which is looking for, if you are a sort of time frame trader, looking for sorts in this ABC correction until we can see the engulfing move up at a Fibonacci level after 3 waves down, and the continuation of the uptrend for either a wave 3 or a wave C, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.